Hey man, it's your boy Reselling, aka CEasy, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the lifestyle. Welcome back to another video. So yeah, you guys saw the last video. I'm trying my best to get better with the audio, not move the mic around. That's you guys go ahead and see by the title. We have a very big collab, and it's not just a big collab because it's Rose in Good Faith. As y'all can see, I'm rocking some of the stuff they had sent me. But this is also the launch of Polo G's luxury brand that goes by the name of Tremani. So I'm pretty excited for it. We're gonna go ahead and just take a look at everything. I don't know if I'm gonna go ahead and cop anything. I lucky peeped the prices, and the prices is steep. And let me just go ahead and just say this. With Rose in Good Faith, I'm pretty sure that like a majority of their collabs are on the higher end just because of the fact like everybody has to make a cut, and because of that, prices are usually high. But one thing I can vouch for is that the quality is good. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at these designs. I'm gonna go ahead and see what it's like. I'll ask that you guys go ahead and smash that like button. If you're new to the channel, man, go down below and subscribe. We're on the road to 3,000 subscribers for this month. We gotta, we're about halfway through the month. I think we go ahead and hit the goal, but I'm gonna need your help. But anyways, let's get the video started. Alright y'all, so we ain't gonna waste no time. We're gonna go ahead and just get this started and see what this collab has to offer. So as we can go ahead and see on the Rose in Good Faith website, and the first thing that you see, it says Tremani collaboration with Rose in Good Faith. So the first thing that stands out is of course the prices. They is up there, but this is supposed to be Polo G's luxury brand. And just by the new word luxury, you already know like prices is going to be up there, but hopefully it also does mean that the quality is going to be up there. I mean, from the looks of it, looks like this is going to be very, very good quality. But, I'm not a big fan of joggers. To basically go ahead and get like the full set, it's going to run you about $500 with shipping and handling and taxes. So we got about 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this second half is the stuff that I'm more excited about, because things that I would actually go ahead and buy. I'm going to go ahead and buy the tracksuit just because of the fact I ain't with the joggers and stuff. So we're going to take a look at the very first piece that they have. So this is the Twill Lounge jacket. I mean, it is looking pretty tough. It's just like a track jacket. Has a sprint right over here, extra luxury. This is the midweight 18-ounce cotton T-Will track jacket. Oh, embroidered logo at the chest. Okay, I was about to say, I'm like, yeah, these gonna get it embroidered. And one thing I can probably say is the fact that this, like, 100% I think that this is Rose in Good Faith. I feel like their team are the ones who like are manufacturing all this and whatnot. So only 400 will be made. It's not bad, not bad, not bad. So did I see an X on some of the sizes already? Okay. This could basically mean that they didn't make a triple XL, that's what I'm assuming, or there was just a very, very small amount. Of course, they got the different images, but we already kind of got the gist of it, front and back. So we're gonna go to the next one. We got this is the velour lounge jacket. Yeah, I don't think they put it. What is this color scheme supposed to be? It's supposed I said this is like a maroon color. And they said this style is handmade. Please allow 3 to 6 weeks for your local Los Angeles cut and sew, dye, finishing, and fulfillment. Okay, so it's gonna take you like a couple months before this is even like made and whatnot. All right, but I mean, I like the exclusivity of it, but I mean, I don't know. For the price, it's just like you're not gonna catch me copping this. This one is most definitely not a piece I'll cop. Bottoms, I already said that's a no-go for me. I won't be doing it. But of course, they gotta make 400. They gotta make sure that it is matching the it gotta match the amount of the top and bottom. Because think of it more of like a set. Let me see if it says it's embroidered. Okay, it's embroidered at the thigh as well. Line interior. It's cool how they have this cool little let's see if I can get a picture to zoom into it. It's like the line right there. So as we can see, let me go zoom in like that. That's pretty cool. That is pretty cool, 100%. I do mess with that. So this is the tracksuit pieces got those out the way. Now we're gonna move on to like the pieces that I'm more excited about. I'm not even gonna lie, which are like the hoodies and the shirts. Okay, so this is probably one of my favorite hoodies from this. I've yet to get like some type of cropped hoodie from them. I'm curious. I've seen pictures of people wearing it, and it, like, of course, like they have like these oversized feels and whatnot, but I feel like it's a looser fit compared to like, you know, some of the V-Lone crop stuff. It's a much looser fit, and they have the arms cropped as well. So I mean, I feel like this is a piece I'll be happy with. It's not really showing what's on the sleeve though, which is annoying. I think this is Polo G. It's supposed to be like a gun or a cartoon image of a gun. Oh, it's supposed to be like a cartoon image on the side of like a gun. It says Polo G with an extendo clip. I mean, maybe they could have done without it. I'm still annoyed that they didn't have a side image of it, but I mean, it is what it is. Hey, okay. If y'all don't know this man, he's creative as he's hella creative, bro. He's really creative. That boy Texas Stardust. All right, I see them. You know, finally, you know, put in a little shout out for them. All right, let's go with that one. But yeah, I do mess with this piece. Like, I ain't gonna lie, his designs is tough. So essentially, what this is supposed to be, yeah, this design is what here is on the side. I like this cool mock-up. We're gonna go ahead and see it on his shirt coming soon. So let's go ahead and check it out. So we have the Estate hoodie. I mean, this one is straight. I like the color more than anything, but like the design or whatever. Oh, okay. Okay. I understand it now. So essentially, this is supposed to be like, once the brand like blows up into something like next level, this would essentially be like the gateway to the estate that he would be able to fund based off of the success of the brand. I mean, it's cool. It's cool, it's straight. But I mean, like, for me, like, this is just on some chill stuff. Like, if I get it, I'm like, all right, that's kind of live. I really just like the color. The color for me is just like, it's a nice, cool color. And then this one, let's go ahead and see. This is the Boulevard hoodie. So we're going to go ahead and take a look. Is that anything on the back? This is Tremani. Rose of Good Faith. It still doesn't really show the arms like that, which is kind of annoying. Like, this is the only picture that they have showing arms. I wish it was like an actual, like, you can actually see it, like as if the body was turned to the side. I don't know. The Boulevard one is probably my least favorite so far. Yeah, most likely this one is probably the hardest. I just don't know about the things on the side. I feel like we could have done without. At the same time, I don't know. This one is just like a cool chill, I guess, go to because of the color. Let's see this one. This is the Hollywood Dreams crew neck. Okay. Rose and Good Faith. They seem like tied up strippers on the side. Is what I'm getting from that one. And it's an eye with tears that says Rose in Good Faith. I don't know. This one's not my favorite. This one's not a favorite. And I think, yeah, this one is just another variation of that one. I don't know. This piece I'm not feeling. But then we got over here, the cheapest piece, but to me is one of the toughest pieces, is this shirt right over here. It's the Rider tee. It's that same image that we saw on the hoodie, just without the sleeves. But this is probably the hardest piece to me in the whole collection. This is a piece that I'll probably go ahead and cop. Probably something that you guys also need to be aware of is with the Rose and Good Faith, you got to go up like 2 sizes. So if you're a natural medium, like I'm a natural medium, like if I want the close fitted, oversized for me is usually a large, but for them I'll have to go ahead and get an XL. But this is most definitely the hardest piece in my book. I can't lie. Hardest piece, nice Polo G, inspired creation. Can't go wrong with that piece. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys my top 3. So these didn't make the cut in the top 3. So for me, I'm gonna go 1, 2, and 3. Like for how I'll be able to add this to my wardrobe, these would be straight. If I was into the tracksuits, or if they didn't have this type of like jogger end, these might be in there. But for the price, $500 for that whole set, I'd rather spend the $500 or less than that. I'd rather spend like the what is this gonna be? Like the $350, $400 on these 3 pieces. Alright guys, so in all, I mean, it was a pretty cool drop. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Interesting. It's cool seeing them kind of like work their way up to bigger collabs. I feel like, you know, overall, there are some pieces that I would cop, some pieces that I wouldn't. Overall, I do rate it as, you know, it's a pretty good drop. I know the quality is going to be good, but like I said, those 3 pieces I'll probably go for. If I had to cop anything right now, it would most definitely be the shirt. And overall, I just got 2 questions for you guys. 1, let me know if you're gonna cop, and then 2, let me know how you feel about it. Like, do you like it? Do you dislike it? Do you feel like it's worth the money or the price? Do you feel like, you know what I'm saying? Just let me know overall how you feel about it and just everything. But anyways, guys, I want you guys to go ahead and smash that like button. We need 100 likes on this video. And if you haven't checked out my video from yesterday, you guys go ahead and check that one out, just because of the fact that we got some good, interesting, juicy, like, just news. And I want to know you guys' takes about that with the War and Lotus situation. A lot of people are just going crazy, throwing a lot of shade at him. Some people are showing love, but just let me know what y'all think about that. And if you haven't already, make sure that you go down below and subscribe. But anyways, support Reselling, aka CEasy, and I'm out.